Hello, children. Very good evening. Hope so you are well, and I am also going on. Right, my also going on, and please stay at home due to these situations. And the cases are COVID-19 has been increasing. Now we have come to know that yesterday only that Kendujar also got one affected patient, but don't get panicked, okay? And just try to overcome this problem, and better too you learn properly every day. Whatever work has been given to you, that has to be done nicely by the teachers. Whatever work has been given to you, that you have to properly do it as and also if you face any problem anywhere, you can also ask me anytime. I don't think so, you are interacting with me very nice. I felt very happy that you are understanding the things. You are writing that ma'am the videos are very nice, so that is a good response definitely for me, and for you also, for easy to learn. I will try my level best, as well as you also has to cooperate all the way, right children? Another thing, today the class I have already completed the portion. I think you have already completed the first chapter, India size location. Today I will discuss some inside questions and also some extra questions. I will discuss the answer also, but you have to write down in your own copy by your own, right? Afterwards I will check it whenever school will reopen, children. Okay children, and today my video, I think it is not being very longer because teaching part's already over. If you have any doubt, you can ask me anytime in the group also, or personally you can call me, right? Please go through the videos in detail, okay? So now first question is, how does India occupy an important strategic positions of South Asia? Okay, I will tell you that India is the largest landmass, okay, and which is connecting the east, which is located in the central position. First point you can write down, and which is connecting the Eastern Asia as well as the Western Asia. Second, the point will be the West Asia, India southward extension of Asia. India is a southward extension of Asian continent. Third, the Trans-Indian Ocean route which connect the countries of Europe in the west and the countries of East Asia provide a strategic location. Provide a strategic location of India. Okay. So this can be answered properly point wise. Nicely write down the video. Nicely write down in the copies. Okay. Next, I will move on to next question. These properly point wise you have to write down. Right, children? Second, what is the name of the southernmost point of India? Why it is not visible today? Okay, so previously, due to some reason, before 2004, previous that year, we have our last point, our last country's extension is the Indira point. Okay, where it is located? It is located in the Andaman Nicobar Island, the southern part of Nicobar Island. It is located, right? So it has been named as, or it has been marked as the last point of India. Okay, but after 2004 tsunami, now these days, second part I will come to the second part, that no, now it is not being visible, because due to 2004 tsunami, these land means water, these land, these tip of India has been gone submerged to the ocean, means totally gone down to the ocean due to the tsunami. Okay, so that is why. And tsunami, plate movements and all very nicely, very clearly I will show in the second chapter, right? So now for that, yes, it is the last one, and you also add the point that is, now in our India, Kanyakumari is a last tip of India. Okay, so third question I will come. Which ocean is named after India? Give reasons to why it was named after India. Okay, acha. I think you are having some ideas that Indian Ocean is locating in the south of the India. Okay, Indian Peninsula means India, the landmass where Deccan Plateau is located. That portion, the last portion, I can tell you the tail portion of India. So that can be called as peninsula, because peninsula is a landform which has been covered by three sides of water. here in India, it is having in the eastern side Bay of Bengal, in the western side it is Arabian Ocean, and in the southern side it is of Indian Ocean. So this is giving the very eminent position of India. Eminent position means very important strategic position. As well as next one, you can also mention that India having the long coastlines, that you have already idea that you have, and whatever how much long coastline, that measurement you should mention. It is having 15,200 kilometer land boundary, and the coastlines are 7516.6 kilometer. Okay, so these much long coastline other countries don't have, and according to that, the Indian Ocean has been named according to these largest landmass. Okay children, next question: why is India called as a subcontinent? This question I will give you as a totally homework. You try. If you're not able to answer, then only I will answer tomorrow or day after tomorrow. Okay children, if you're not able to answer, then only notify me, then only just to tell me. Otherwise you have to write down this question. Okay, why is India called as a subcontinent? Next question, 5 number: why do the days and nights are almost equal during in Kanyakumari? This is very important question. Okay, Kanyakumari. Acha, first I will tell you the extension of the latitudes of India starts from 8 degree 4 minute north to 37 degree 6 minute north. Okay, it means that 8 degree it starts from and 37 degree it is ending. Okay, total landmass is coming under these latitudes only. Okay, latitudes means the parallel lines. And 8 degree is nearer to 0 degree, and we know very much well that equator is located on 0 degree, and from 0 degree to 5 to 10 degree north and 5 to 10 degrees south, both these total belt are coming under in the equatorial zone. That is why 8 degree 4 minute north is also coming under, and we know that this zone is getting maximum just vertical sun rays. Vertical sun rays means the sun rays are coming from there, is this belt is getting the maximum heat of the earth. Okay, so that is why heat zones we have already learned. 3 heat zones are there. One will be the torrid, the temperate, the frigid. Okay, this is coming under in the torrid zone. And equatorial region we know that the always all over the year days and nights are always to be equal. Okay, so always 12 hours day, always 12 hours night. There is no seasonal changes also there, that I will tell you in detail afterwards. Okay, so for that reason Kanyakumari is located 8 degree 4 minute north, so definitely it is also coming under in this equatorial region, and that is why it is having equal amount of day and night, 12 hours day, 12 hours night. So that is why this statement we can say, right? Next, properly point based answer you should write. CBSE always want the point based answer. Don't go for any type of description. Okay children, next, number 6 question: how has the long coastline been beneficial to India? How has the long coastline being beneficial to India? This question also I will give you as a homework. These two you have to find out the answer and you have to write it down. You can also ask to me through audios in the group, right children? So better you properly write down. This is totally your homework. I will discuss, but afterwards let I see you will able to answer or not. Now I'll move on. This backside 2 questions I've already given. That is left also. What is that? That is of that in India, from Gujarat to Kanyakumari, the distances are very much. Definitely the distances are very much, but the sun rises 2 hours earlier in Arunachal Pradesh as compared to Gujarat in the west. But the watches show the same time. How does it happen? Question number 3. Answer, backside question exercise. that you have to write down properly. Okay, point basis. First point I will tell you, the India is a very large continent. First point, you will give the extension of latitudes and longitudes. It has to be totally light in the northern hemisphere. Another point, second point, you will write down that for the different type of large countries, we are following one particular type of timing. Okay, why we are following? Because for large country, maybe actually that there is a time difference between two places are 1 hour, 2 hour, 3 hour, but if you cannot follow the same time, there will be problem for time being. Okay, we have to means we will face so many problem for that, right? Especially for timing. That is why maybe from Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, there is a distance of 3214 kilometer, around 3214 kilometer, but we have to cover it up. We don't have the means there is no differentiation of the timing. Maybe it is coming 2 hours, and sunrises, sunsets generally 2 hours earlier in the Arunachal Pradesh than the Gujarat, because it's a vast distance. So sun has to cover whenever earth is rotating, so it takes 2 hour means late, but we have to follow the general timing for all over the country. In India, we are following the timeline will be that 82 degree 30-minute east, with wherever it is located in the UP Mirzapur. Okay, so that is the Allahabad. It is near to Allahabad. So that can be means, sorry, excuse me children. So that can be also a time zone, means a timeline we are maintaining for all over the country. So that is why we should not have any type of confusion, time confusion. For that we are maintaining same timing. Next, central location of India at the head of the Indian Ocean considered to be the great significance. I think I have already discussed this question answer. Okay, and rest of the others I think you have already done. If you have not done, so please answer the following questions. Number 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, that you have to do, right? So let you do, then only I will going to check. And if you're not able to answer these 2 homework, okay, so that only I will tell you the answers, but I will tell later on part, but you have to try it first. Okay children, now class 9, thank you so much for watching my videos very nicely and sincerely, and also you are doing your work. I know that you are doing your work very nicely. Please do it, cooperate with us, and also stay connected with us. Thank you so much. I have to, after I upgrade this, please notify just me. Notification should come to me that yes ma'am, we have seen that. So, and also in the inbox, if you want to do any comment that yes ma'am, this one I want, better to you will give your queries in the WhatsApp group. Okay children, so that will be very much good for us, you and me also. So definitely I will help you. So thank you so much. Very good evening. Stay connected, stay with us, and also be safe.